The first thing that we'll do is trim it to the point that we want to actually make slow motion and stabilize. So after we've done that, we'll go ahead and right click that little box at the top of the clip, go to time remapping, then hit speed. And at that point, we can slow down our clip as much as we need to. I shot in 120 frames per second, so I can usually go down to about 30%, but 40 will do just fine. Right click on the clip and then go to nest. After you click on nest, you'll just name it whatever you need to help your organization. Now, once it's nested, you can actually drag the warp stabilizer over onto that nest. And as you can see, when we play it, it looks okay, but it's a little warpy. And the warp stabilizer doesn't always work perfectly. So what I like to do is put it between like a 5 to 15% range, just because it's not over stabilizing, but it's just keeping it smooth, if you will. So you gotta let it do its thing again, but when you look at it now, it looks a lot better. That is how you warp stabilize a slow motion clip in Premiere. If you like this video, please feel free to like, subscribe, and yeah, stay tuned for other how-tos.